up to Guilderton, Moore River, doing a quick little install for Brew Coffee Roasters. Pretty stoked, and putting a brand new 3 Group Steamhammer, Moore River Cafe up in Guilderton. Beautiful day for it.
G'day, I'm Phil from Moore River Cafe up in Guilderton. We've been running Moore River Cafe over the last couple of years. We've opened up the restaurant and bar, 110 seat dine-in, of course takeaways as well. We're still going on with our takeaways, which has been historic in Guilderton. We sell a lot of food, but we also sell a lot of coffee. We tried a couple of different blends and then we got hold of Brew Coffee. We got a really good name for our coffee here, and we sell a lot of coffee. And when we need servicing done on our machinery, we give a call to Espresso Works, and they're here almost immediately. So couldn't be happy with the service. We've got great reviews for what we're doing, and being right at the river mouth here, it's a popular destination for tourists and of course for locals as well.